Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mango ice cream. First, gather your fresh ingredients for the best flavor. We'll walk through each step, ensuring your homemade treat is perfectly creamy and refreshing. This easy method means you don't need any fancy equipment, just a few common kitchen tools. Get ready to enjoy a delightful dessert that's perfect for any occasion, especially on a warm day. To begin, select 2 large, ripe mangoes. Peel them carefully and dice the flesh into small pieces. Next, you'll need 1 cup of rich, heavy cream and 1/2 cup of whole milk to achieve that smooth texture. Don't forget 1/3 cup of granulated sugar for sweetness, and just a tiny pinch of salt to enhance all the flavors. These simple ingredients are the foundation of your amazing ice cream. Now let's get blending. Place your diced mangoes, granulated sugar, and that pinch of salt into a blender. Process until the mixture is completely smooth and lump-free. Then, add the heavy cream and milk, blending just until everything is combined. Be careful not to overmix. Once blended, pour this delightful mixture into a shallow, freezer-safe container, preparing it for the chilling process. Place your container in the freezer for at least 6 hours, or until it's completely firm. For the creamiest results, stir the mixture every 30 minutes during the first 2 hours of freezing. This helps prevent ice crystals from forming. Once fully frozen, scoop out your homemade mango ice cream and enjoy. It's truly a refreshing treat. For a truly effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.